remember to turn your fuel back on.
I'll tell you what happened.
What?
You didn't make it.
This biker accidentally scared a couple and caused them to crash their new four-wheeler, but his quick thinking may have saved them a lot of trouble.
My brand new frickin' side-by-side.
Ready, guys?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Look at that. Hey, thanks, man.
Have a good one.
Ah, sucker.
Legends.
Any chance I can squeeze by? It's up to yourselves. I'll wait for the fella to come past. Cheers mate, I appreciate it. Cheers pal. Cheers boys, thank you. Thank you.
It's all about being polite.
Entschuldigung, was war's das? 5 Stücke zurück bitte. Ja, Digga, das ist so herrlich.
We are finding that people are using these to commit crime, and obviously they can get away quickly, they can evade police, can't they? What have you been given? Yeah, section 59 or something. Yeah.
He's going to cause a crash. He's now about to crash into that car, look. Told you. Absolutely told you. Shit. Mate, I want to make sure everyone's alright. See Leon, bro. What are you doing, man? I bet you was on your phone. I want to see if this person's here okay. Oh my god, it's a lady, bro. Are you okay? You okay? Are you okay? I know, listen, I've got it all on camera. Are you okay? Are you sure? Just relax a minute, yeah? You're alright, I'm here with you. Have you turned it off? Yeah, that's fine, just turn it off. Yo, what happened?
I don't know what I hit.
Huh?
I don't know what I hit.
Well, you went straight in the side of Earth. You don't know what you've done, man. That's...
I haven't got a clue what I hit where I came.
Yeah, you hit Earth. You were swerving for quite a while. Are you alright? I'd suggest sit down if you feel unwell.
He's just said...
The Seat Leon hit the other one.
Phone.
Yeah, the Seat Leon. For a while, he's been swaying. He nearly hit this lorry as well. Bloody hell, man. He's been... I wasn't involved. I wanted to make sure she's okay. He's just literally rammed her off the road. Are you sure you're alright to stand up? Yeah? When I get home, I'm going to text you and say it's the motorcyclist from your crash. Send me your email. I'll get the video over to you. You wasn't in the wrong, trust me. Alright? Nice to meet you. I hope you're okay. The ambulance person's in now. That poor woman, man. Guys, do you know what? I don't normally get involved in stuff like that, but I saw that guy for a while and I literally called it. I knew he was going to go into her. The truck driver that he nearly hit before her said like when he came past, the truck driver saw he was on his phone. There you go. That's why I get so pissed off when I see people on the phone. I'm glad that woman's okay. Yeah, I've got music on, so I turn it on. I've got my music on, so I just turn it on.
Yeah.
What's your name? Fair enough. Alright, sure, might as well.
I've been on a crash about 2 months ago as well.
Oh, is that where that's from?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Yeah, look, I'm not going to lie to you. It's probably speculative stuff. We've had a number of these basically small drug dealing and robberies this morning as well, so we couldn't see your reg, because it is illegal. I'll stick it to that, but obviously.
But they've got to be that to be legal, do you know what I mean? Yeah? Alright. Top man. Cheers, see you later, have a good day.
See you later.
Help me! Help me! Nick!
Oh, do I dare overtake? Oh, snap it. Oh, snap the talk. Yo, what the hell is happening? Okay, I think it's... Yo, please don't put your lights on. I know you're in a bad mood. Do not put your lights on for me. What the hell? It's another police right there. Yo, what's going on? Look what this driver does.
Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, what's that?
My legs are like.
He's on the line.
I don't know. I think it was like that. I think I was looking here.
He's not bad for there.
Oh wait, I know you. And you. Huh?
It's on my helmet.
Have you sold it?
No, it's hung up on my
Did I tell you about the guy before? Got me to sell his helmet. Mate, his helmet was like beaten up and stuff. So I thought, oh yeah, he wanted me to sign it and put it up on the shelf or something. But he sold it. But it's meant to look brand new, but I've not ridden it in like 10 days and all this bloody ice and I'm seeing gear. I like this. That's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna hung up right there.
Was that the helmet I signed?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Oh, it was over the Piston Club, wasn't it? Your mum messaged me, I think. Yeah.
MJ or full anything. I'm gonna treasure that helmet forever.
I think. Yeah. This guy, I took the picture. A celebrity, I ain't a celebrity. I say I'm known. Not so much a celebrity. You being safe? Well, you're all on 1-5s, isn't you? Who's on a 50? Me? I like seeing the gear because obviously, especially in the summertime, you see a lot of 1-5 users not wear gear. And it's like, I don't know if you see some of my videos where I've like belted people for it, like, wear your gear, wear your gear. It's because I care.
Going from a 50 to a 125, you can notice it, but
yeah. You wait till you go to a bigger bike then.
Oh, that is scary as see all these people asking me to rev now, but that's literally a police biker behind me in the most inconspicuous bike, a little adventure bike, looks like an older one as well. How is that a police bike? That's crazy. That is so mad. Look, all these people waving at me to high five. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm so sorry. I don't know if you can see in my rear view mirror, but he's literally behind me now. I've got a small number plate on. Little bit of an aftermarket exhaust. Look at these lot. These lot are all revving their bikes. They've got no idea there's an undercover police right behind them. Woo! No. That kid, he looked well happy. Oh my god, I've just seen him jumping with joy. Oh, we're turning round, bro. We're going to find him. He was just jumping with joy, man. Where is he? I could just vaguely remember what he looked like. Where is he? No, I've lost it. I missed it. Oh, he got so excited as well. No, man. Oh, dude, man. I tried coming back to see you. Oh, you're there. Oh, no. Quick.
Can you take a photo?
I've literally just turned around here. I went down there seeing if I could find you. Let me put this up here. I just saw how excited you got when I went past you. So I was like, I've got to go back and say hello. Do you want a picture, do you? There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, bless him. I said to myself, I saw you in the mirror. And I was like, he got so excited. I was like, maybe you don't know who I am. And he likes bikes, so I thought I'd come back round and say hello. But, I'm very glad I got you. I just come out there, I was like, oh, I've missed him.
The chances of you seeing Sammy are quite slim, and then I looked at your letters at ARN and I was like...
Yeah, ARN. Oh, it's good to meet you, man. You made Motor Jim stall his bike. Did you hear that?
I really appreciate your stuff here.
No worries, thank you ever so much. See you at the show as well. See you later, buddy. Nice meeting you, man.
Top 3 fastest 125 geared motorcycles from factory. Before we get into it, I want you to comment down below what you think the top 3 are. So starting the list off strong, we've got the Aprilia RS 125. Coming in with a real world top speed of about 73 miles per hour. Although some may argue it does go a bit faster. Coming in at number 2, we have the Suzuki Jigsaw 125 with a real world top speed of 75 miles per hour. That's the second fastest on our list today. And last but not least, taking our absolute top spot, we have a fan favorite, the Yamaha YZF R125. This one has a real world top speed of about 78 miles per hour. I actually think it's a little bit more. But that's the top 3 fastest geared 125 motorcycles from factory.
Huh? I can't hear you. No. 660. 660. Yeah, I don't know what you're saying, but yeah, that one. 660. He likes it. I can't hear you. Nice. Yeah, good. I'm having a conversation with a guy drawing on his window. Yeah, nice man, I like your bike. Yeah, thank you man. I have no idea what he was saying. I think he was asking what my bike was, if it was the 1000. And I said no, 660. And then he was telling me something like what his bike was. At last minute then he put up saying R6. Nice man. I can't believe they literally just got a notepad out to write R6. You got R6, dude. For some reason, if you ever see this video, nice man. That was the most awkward silent conversation I've ever had to myself, with myself, for myself, with someone else, but talking to myself. It's a good day to be out and to play. Oh fuck, somebody.
You good? Hey, I'm good. I'm good. Henry, look at me. Look at me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Look at me. Henry, look at me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Look at me, bro. I'm good. Hey, great TikTok footage. I'm good, bro. I'm good.
She told my baby dance to 3, and she looked at me and showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine.
Steal it. Go. Shit. Go. Take it. Leave. Oh, hello, sir.
Don't be mad.
What the fuck?
Oh my god!
We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
Who's gassing next? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's go help him! Hey! Are you guys okay in there?
Are you okay?
Hey, are you guys okay in there?
Call 911.
Yo, someone call 911. Are you guys okay?
Okay, we're calling 911. You need some help getting out? My door's stuck.
Alright, I'm gonna try to pull this, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna pull it a little bit. Can you get your seatbelt off?
Yeah.
Pull it. Just pull it off. Pull it off.
Careful, your leg.
Watch your legs, the glass is broken.
Airbags still?
Yeah, airbags still. Oh fuck. Yo, dude, you okay? You okay, man?
Yeah.
You okay? You good?
I'm okay.
You good? All right. It's an accident, man. Nobody's fault, okay?
Got any problem? Hey! Calm down!